Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how we can use Camscanner in our mobile phone. Also, I wonder why you want to use Camscanner. It is because you want to create any kind of document, or maybe you want to convert a PDF into Word or Word into PDF, or different kinds of document into PDF, or maybe there's any other reason for you to use Camscanner. So in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So first you have to make sure you have already installed Camscanner, and after that you just have to simply tap on it and it will open. So this is the first interface that you will see of the app. Here on the top we have options, even in the bottom we have different options. So let's start with the top one. So this first option, if you click on it, the camera will open, and from there you can scan any kind of written thing. If it is written on paper or if it is written on the wall, it will scan for you. After that, through this option you can import images, and with third option you can import files that are in your mobile phone. And with the fourth option you can scan your ID card. If you have an ID card and you want to make it soft copy, then you have to click on this option and it will detect your ID card. It will click your ID card and will make a copy of it. Here you can see we have 2 to 3 different kinds of options for ID card. You can select any one of these options, whatever is most preferable for you, you can use it. And through this fifth option you can scan the text, and with the sixth option you can convert the Excel to PDF, or you can add different kind of files to Excel. And with the seventh option you can add your signatures to the document. And if you click on the last option, all, what it will do, it will take you to the option tools, which is written on the third number at the bottom. Like, I clicked on it and you can see we just got here. So here we have a lot of further more options. You can convert PPT, Excel sheets, Word document, and other things. You can even add a different kind of documents. You can create documents if you have pictures, if you have something written on picture, like you have a book, then you can make it into a PDF. And there are other options through which you can scan something and can make a soft copies of it. So if you click on this option, if you have any created file, it will appear here. And if you have not created, then don't worry, when we will create, it will appear here. If you click on the camera, your mobile phone camera will open. After that you can click any kind of picture, but if you don't want to click it, then you can select any picture from your photo gallery and it will detect it. As you can see, you can crop the image, can move different kinds of things. And once you're done with all that, just click on the next and it will be here. You can add different kind of filters to it. You can change its color, and we have other options as well at below. You can see it. You can add text, you can do some kind of drawing to your page, and you can add signature. After that, just click on blue icon and your document will be created. Now you can share it, you can save it, you can turn into PDF. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can use Camscanner in your mobile phone. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.